Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Happy Gaming House. So as you can see today, we're back in Beijing studio and it's just me today because Jorge is still in Canada. I'm gonna still making some new videos here, but we got a problem today. Let's ask the cameraman, how is the sound?
Well, I hear sound.
So as you can see, we don't have anything left here because we ship everything to Canada, and today we're just like no mic, nothing. However, we do have something new to open box today, and let's show you. So maybe you can see from the TV back here, maybe you can already took a guess, and we're talking about the new DJI Mic 4 today, the DJI Mic 3 today. And the reason why I got this is because, well, also the reason why I said 4 is because it can take one receiver and 4 transmitters. Without further ado, let me open the box first and show you guys this so we can connect this to the camera to give you a better audio. We got this nicely wrapped pack. You know, the thing I like about DJI is they always give you these pouches. It might give you too many, but you can put like batteries, SD cards, they have like extras, and when you go out you can just put everything in this one pack and go. 2 sets of the furry caps, 2 magnets, the cable to connect the receiver to the camera itself. So this one also has like a 7.55 watt-hour batteries inside, so it can charge your mics on the go. Let me just open this, connect it, and show you guys that, so you guys can have a better audio for me explaining further stuff. As you can see, 2 mics and 1 transmitter. Sorry, 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. This is the receiver that you put on your cameras or like whatever device you want to put on. There's an adapter. For example, if you want to plug into your phone, we'll show you guys later. So basically what you do is you put this one onto your hot shoe, however, or cold shoe. What you do is you use this 3.5 to 3.5 cable. The side with the thread, you connect to the out, and you can screw that in. We're just gonna plug into the audio in. Let's put this one on the camera we're filming right now. Before we show you guys the actual sound quality of this, I'm just gonna show you that before you use it, I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, you will have to download the DJI app. How do I connect this though? So it does let you choose if it's an indoor or outdoor environment. As you can see, it's already taking in sound. Without further ado, let's put this onto the camera we're actually shooting now and show you guys how the sound is. So welcome back, and we already connect the, as you can see, I have the transmitter here and the receiver is already connected to the camera. I think you already have better audio now, no?
Now it's true audio.
Okay. We got another problem because I've been searching for this device for like 5-10 minutes now. Still nothing. For the past like 30 years or so, I barely read any instruction manuals. I guess it's time to start now.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so I figured out how to connect to the app. Basically, you just connect this to your phone. It will pop up. You can go to settings, and you can see all the different settings that you can do. This is for the RX, is the receiver, and the 4TX are the transmitters. So let's find the transmitter 1. So let's put the record, and yeah, you see the red light is on. So I think if we record over here, 1 2 3 1 2 3 3 2 1, testing, and after we finish, we just oh, actually we didn't turn on the noise reduction for all the oh, I'll give you a vibration. So yeah, now we have noise reduction. Maybe that's why the audio quality wasn't that good before. All right, welcome back, and like I said, we just showed you This microphone can take recordings within. What you do is you slide to where the microphone, like the transmitter that you're using, right? We're using transmitter 1, and we're just gonna click on that, and you can see TX1 record. And we're just gonna click on that. And now I'm recording within the microphone. I think the sound will be way better than what like just 2 seconds ago, because we don't have any microphone on the camera right now. So this is always like the voice is coming out straight from this, not the receiver, straight from the transmitter itself. It basically records something that it's like stored inside, and like we showed you before, we need to use this special cable. I believe the dock works as well. So to connect that to the computer, you can transfer all the audio files into the computer. I'm gonna tell you guys the reason why I bought this. You already know that we already have the DJI Mic 2, right? Whenever Jorge and I went out, it's fine because we got 2 mics. Pocket 3 can take 2 mics audio in without any problem. But if we have a third person, like a guest or a friend, it's gonna be a problem because, so for example, Jorge and I were talking and Mr. Seven suddenly want to say something, the audio quality will be really, really bad. Even though we try to do it, passing like back and forth all the time, since it's sometimes things are like so random and we cannot predict it. The good thing about like the Mic 3 is it can take 4 transmitters to 1 receiver. As a matter of fact, it can take 4 transmitters to 8 receivers. In like professional video filming industry, it's actually very useful. You might have multiple cameras. With 4 microphones, like 4 transmitters, you have 8 receivers to 8 different devices. Also, what it does is it has a timecode injector. All the cameras can have the same timecode. To a lot of professionals, it can be very useful. With that said, I also had a question when they first launched is, will Pocket 3 support it? Because for receivers, it's hardware built into the system itself. But if we bought this one, will it work? If we bought like 4 of these, even though like this receiver will take 4 channels in, does it work with 4 different mics with the Pocket 3? Then we asked the DJI support, and they say yes, but you do have to connect the receiver to the Pocket 3. Let's try if we can connect 4 different mics to this receiver first. If it does, we're going to remove the receiver and connect it to the Pocket 3 and see if that works. Okay, so since we do have better audio, I'm going to do this open box one more time. All DJI products have like very good pouches. There's the wireless charging cable, 2 different color caps, mic itself, magnet, and the clip. Alright, so welcome back again, and they took some time and finally figured out how to connect this, all 4 transmitters to 1 receiver. First of all, you need power to your dock, and without power it doesn't work. You put your receiver in first, and you put in 2 of the transmitter that you want to pair. Then you pull out the receiver first, then the transmitter, then it will work. It's working on the camera right now with 4 channels, and let's try that. Testing channel, is this 1? Okay, this is channel 2. Okay, this is channel 1. This is channel 4. Definitely 3, right? If we're shooting outside, we have 4 different people. We'll each have a mic, and they will not have the problem with the bad audio quality like before. It's really good. So I just found out that you can do all the settings in here as well. You can do device linking. You don't have to use the dock. You can connect to the app. So as you can see, we have the DJI Mic over here. Confirm. Yeah. So you can do all the tuning over here as well. And if you have like transmitters connected to it, you can record all. It's basically what we just showed you. It will record into the microphone itself. It has 32 gig of memory, right? So yeah, it's gonna be like 40-50 hours of recording or something. And you can set the like noise cancellation. You can do like strong or like normal. We're inside, so we just choose normal. And yeah, so that's that. And next, what we're going to show you is to connect this to the Pocket 3 and see if that works. What we're going to do now is we're going to plug this into the Pocket 3 over here and show you guys if that will work. Okay, so on the Pocket itself, so as you can see that on the camera, it has only one audio input now, but on the receiver it has 4 channels in. Basically this receiver is taking in all 4 audios but only outputting as one. So as you can see, it works with the Pocket 3 as well. That's what we're going to use later on. I'm going to try out different ways to use it. I think the best way would be to record it into individual microphones. This way we'll have 4 different channels that we can adjust during editing. So, conclusion. I think it's a good product. Right now, like vloggers are having like more and more people in one video, so we actually these are the products that we actually need, right? But on the other hand, I think this is a very new product, still needs a lot of improvements. For example, like better instruction manuals, yeah, improve on that maybe, and maybe use like easier connection to your phone, or to have like a better connection to the Pocket 3 or existing products. Maybe have like a firmware upgrade to the Pocket 3, software upgrade or something, to have it can take in actual 4 different channels instead of just 1 channel straight from the receiver. Right, so that's it, and see you guys later. Please subscribe and like this video if you like it, dislike it if you dislike it, and leave a comment below to let us know what other products you want us to review and how do you think about this microphone.